How do we recognize signs of intelligence? Sometimes it is seen in biological structures, such as neurons. Sometimes we find it in actions, and sometimes we find it in objects that were made. Space Neuron encompasses all of these questions simultaneously and asks the viewer to contemplate questions about intelligence, learning, exploration, and perception. What does it mean to have a huge neuron in outer space? The neuron is taken from an actual microscopic image of a Purkinje neuron. It, and the floating planets, are the only truly representational elements of this piece. The living creatures are depicted with mechanical bits from watches and computers. Are they truly representing creatures that live, or are they robots? The figure standing underneath the neuron has an object in either hand. Are these items for play or work? Is the figure controlling something, as a wizard with a wand might? Or are they merely pointing to the night sky? Perhaps the figure is playing a musical instrument, or maybe it is scientific equipment. Maybe the figure is a student, or perhaps they are a teacher. The figure is made of both watch parts and computer components, making them skirt that line between artificial and natural, even though it is clearly man-made. The figure has an animal companion: dog, goat, horse. Humans have cultivated these animals for work and for play. So again, we encounter this theme of work and play. Learning is both work and play, so it is fitting to have this animal companion. Also, the pink-tipped tail hints at decoration or embellishment. Again, is that necessary for an animal or a human? Sitting high in the branches of the neuron, there is a tiny bird. Is it an owl or an embryo? If anyone has seen the 1981 version of Clash of the Titans, they might recall a mechanical owl, Bubo, who was a substitute for Athena's pet owl. Owls traditionally represent wisdom, but what does it mean when your owl is a machine? Can machines have wisdom? Can they play? Finally, Lana Sinapayan, who this was made for, told me, "Well, I like that the neuron looks like it's sending roots to other planets. I have a collaboration with NASA where we use a neural network to look for life on other planets. And one of the dreams of ALife researchers is to find a type of life completely different from our own, because it's difficult to do science if you only have one example of the thing you studied." If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me at Art Collisions on Twitter, Instagram, pretty much anywhere on the internet. Thanks for watching.